Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Eraser from Battle for Dream Island. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start by drawing an angled line up at the top. Then from both ends, let's angle it down and over to the right, keeping both of these lines parallel. And then another angle at the bottom. Now from both of the top corners, let's angle it up and over to the left. And then an angle to close off the top. Next, hop down to the bottom left corner and let's draw another angle up and out. And then close off the side with another angle going down. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move inside and draw the face. Let's start with 2 lines across. And then underneath on the right, let's draw a U shape down. And color both of these in black. And then underneath, let's draw a curve for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's move down and draw the arms. On the bottom left, let's draw a curve down, and then a circle at the bottom for the hands. And color the hand in black. Now let's move underneath the body on the right side and let's draw a small curve for the other hand. And color this in black as well. Lastly, let's draw the legs. Underneath on the left here, let's draw a line down and another line down on the right. Then at the bottom, let's draw a curve out to the right and back in for the feet. And color both of these in black. And that's it for Eraser. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!